Today's video, we're going to see how you can add your PayPal account to Apple Wallet. So first of all, you need to open the PayPal app on your iPhone or iPad or any Apple device that you have. First of all, you just open it. From there, when you open the PayPal app, you will press on accounts, which will be on your right bottom corner of the screen. If you have a PayPal business account, however, you will need to tap money instead, which will be at this same menu. So after you've pressed that, you'll see this, which is your PayPal debit card. You may have to scroll down to find it, it depends, but you'll just have to see this screen. And from there, you will select it and you will press on manage. When you press it on manage, a number of options will appear. These are the options that will appear, and you can see the Apple Wallet option that will be right in front of you. From there, you will tap Add to Apple Wallet. This will open Apple Wallet and it will prompt you to finish adding your card. From here, you will authorize it and you will press on the Add Money and Authorize Reload. From there, you'll just follow your on-screen instructions to add your PayPal card to Apple Wallet. And once it is linked, you can also select it as a method in Apple Pay, so you can pay with your PayPal balance rather than any other cards. And thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.